Okay? If I take that space, I don't want this auditory canal, which is what your lab manual says. I want you to make sure it's differentiate between internal and external. Okay? Or you could use the old-fashioned naming station too, if you're familiar with that. So all of that is external ear and contains air. Separating, remember we have the primary tympanic membrane, and that is a component of the external ear. Okay? Although on its inner surface we have the ossicles. So, attached to the inner surface of the tympanic membrane we have the malleus. Attached to the malleus we have the incus, the hammer on the anvil. And then attached to the oval window, we have the stapes. So those are all components of the middle ear. And then the inner ear is formed of the cochlea and the semicircular canals with the vestibule, the utricle, and sacral in between. Okay. The nerve back here has two parts. This would be the cochlear, and this would be the vestibular portion of the vestibulocochlear nerve. Now, I'm not going to ask you anything about utricle and sacral in lab. So you just need to be able to identify cochlea and semicircular canals. Okay? Now, to do that, you want to have the cochlea facing you, the stapes pointing downward like this. This is from the opposite ear. Okay? It's going to look like this. And right next to the cochlea, notice curves like that. All right, so that curves down and around. But right next to the cochlea, we put it in like this. This would be the anterior or superior semicircular canal. Behind it would be the posterior semicircular canal, and running horizontally is the horizontal semicircular canal. So, for lab, full credit just for semicircular canal, an extra half point if you correctly identify anterior, or you can call it superior, posterior, and or horizontal. Okay? But that's just extra, because it can be confusing about how it's situated. Alrighty. Now, on the chart over here, is about the only place that, or at least a similar diagram, you can really see the oval window, because from the diagram behind the board, remember the stapes rests, covers up the oval window. The oval window is actually a membrane, but we can't see it on our models because the stapes is right on top of it. So on this chart right here, it's kind of like you push your foot down in the mud and the mud squished up around the outside of it. So with the stapes pressing here, there's a raised ridge or rim, and that's the oval window that we can see. Okay? Down here is the round window. So this would be usually where I would take it, is on a larger view like that, because it's difficult to see on the models. So you would have your primary tympanic membrane, malleus, incus, and stapes, oval window, round window, which is also known as the secondary tympanic membrane, and then you would have your superior, posterior, and horizontal semicircular canal.